Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. Hey everybody, you guys, I've been getting a lot of questions lately. Like, is it really possible to earn money online with just smartphone and internet? Or is this another scam like all other fake websites we hear about? So today, I decided to answer all your questions in one video. And yes, I'm not just talking, I'm showing you real proof of how online income pays my monthly bills, not fraud, no fake promises, but the real things. Hey, you guys, right now, many individuals, even in East Africa, are making between $100 to $1,000 per month just using social media platforms and simple tasks online, like the way I'm going to be showing you with the time. The first simple task that I did and made me motivated is also inclusive. Some are making even more than this amount of money. And the best part is most of them are just using their smartphones and no anything like a camera, no anything like a laptop, just smartphones and data bundles. Now, guys, for me personally, my internet income now pays my rent, electricity, food, my fuel as in transport, literally all my monthly expenses. And I'm not saying this to brag about it or to throw stones in your face, no, but to let you know that this is very real and possible even if you're starting today. Guys, I'm not a financial controller. No, I'm not a financial consultant. I'm a simple lady that when I discovered that some individuals are making this amount of money and you're just on internet with this social media platform with that expensive smartphone, just making noise or just posting without a focus, I decided to come and let you know. I know right now there are some individuals who are nodding and even fighting with their keyboards, just saying lie, lie, lie. No, I don't blame you at all. But I'm here to answer individuals this week. You know yourselves. Some have called me direct. Some have sent me WhatsApp messages. Others have sent messages on TikTok after putting on my first live. And when we go to message on Facebook, it is full of messages with this real Christine. Let's break it down, guys. The biggest opportunity right now is social media income. Here is what you should focus on. Why am I bringing it as the first biggest opportunity? Because as you're watching me and the people who have been asking me, they are either on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, they are there. These are the questions that came from there. So for us to hit it on the head, let's start with what we are using. Let's see the first social media platform. YouTube is my number one. I'm giving it 100 out of 100 if you start, according to the experiences that I got. You don't need a fancy camera. You just need a phone. Your smartphone is enough. Create content, tutorials, vlogs, reactions, or even educational videos. If you don't understand me here, you guys, I want you to go to the comment section and specifically tell me what you don't understand. Or even educational videos like what I'm doing are very good. They can start paying for you your monthly bills. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers, of course, and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning through ads. Here, when we talk about this, some creators are earning 100, others are earning 1,000 per month, depending on on a lot of factors like your views, like your niche, where you are, people who watch you from, a lot of things. But here you're going to tackle this the moment you decided to start. Now, can I tell you something? For you to be successful on YouTube, you have to treat it like you're doing your job. Because if you really want $1,000 per month, you have to treat it like 1,000 worth it. The second platform is Facebook. When we're talking about Facebook, I think 7 out of 50 questions in the last three months, they are from Facebook. What you just need a Facebook page. You can earn through Reels, bonus, in-stream ads, or even stars. If you're live streaming, you are comfortable with like people give you stars. Facebook is investing heavily in creators. So if you're there out there, take advantage of it now. There are other, of course, you have to reach the threshold like 5,000 followers and some amount of watch hours, which is not hard for Facebook. Facebook is a darling. However, you have to meet the criteria and you have to follow rules and regulations as to standard and community guidelines. Let's see the third one. We have TikTok. This this app is exploding. While it does not pay you directly in very many countries, many creators use to promote their businesses, music, or even sell products. With TikTok, affiliate marketing, you can do wonders. You can earn per product, say. But here I am, I'm telling you guys, if you know you're in these countries which are not paid directly as to creators, it is called something like TikTok Creators Fund. If you're not paid directly because you're not in some other country there, these countries of us, most of them, like what I say, they don't pay. But if you want to be among, just write it in the comment section and you say, we go for masterclass. This one, it is a paid masterclass. I'll take you through whether you're in Asia, whether you're in Africa, you're in a Gulf country, just join my masterclass. The fourth one is Instagram. Don't forget, we are still on social media platforms. That is, they are the first, at least you should focus on as you go to another one. Instagram, you can partner with brands, promote affiliate links, or even sell your own products and even digital products, even services, all through your phone. You don't need something. You don't. If you look at my studio is near my bed, but I sit, I do what I'm supposed to do with my smartphone. And ask me, I started with just a simple smartphone that was Oppo until I upgraded to iPhone 16. So if you have any smartphone, you can do it. Now, apart from these social media platforms, you can go ahead and do freelancing, and as in do freelancing on apps. Freelancing on apps, we go to check like Fiverr, Upwork, or Afribaba, even Alibaba. Apart from, you can go for Geno Alibaba. If you can type, you can design, you can edit videos, or even write simple content. You can offer your skills online. But most of you don't know or don't want this. You want a cleaning job for 2 hours and they give you just less than $5, but you cannot be persistent and build this brand. You can offer your skills online. I know people who are earning $50 to $300 per gig. When I'm talking about a gig, the moment you open Fiverr and Upwork, you'll find there are some gigs, some tasks that you can do. They are very simple. You can do them from your work, from your home, from everywhere. Are you on vacation? Even you're traveling, you can do this. So just go there and make this money. The moment you do this money, you will be, I'm not saying that it is going to make you buy a limousine. I'm not saying that it's going to make you, if you're in United Arab Emirates and you start staying in Burj Khalifa. No, these are first steps. I started with $1. I told you $1. I withdrew $1 from paid work as one of the gig. And from there I say, wow, I can go ahead. So start today and see what you can do. There are some people who say they don't know what I advertise. This is your right time to step in and know what exactly does Immaculate Show advertise. The sixth is paid survey and microtasks. Apps like paid work, this is my darling. As I tell you every day, I have to make sure that I do a challenge, I do a trek, I make sure I do something from there, such that my money can be coming. I told you 1 plus $1 equals $2. At the end of the day, it's too much. Apps like Paid Work, Swagback, or Toloka, they let you earn small amount for watching ads, doing surveys, and even testing apps. Every app that you see that you're using right now, there are some other people that they used for testing them. So instead of hiring all people to come and test these apps, they just put it here and put very little amount of money. They share and bam, you are there to earn. It is not huge money, yes, but if you're consistent, it can help you cover your internet bills. It can help you cover your mocktail. You can go out with your friends and pull out that $50 without any hassle. Affiliate marketing, the seventh one. This is one of my favorite. When you share a product link and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. Simple, you can promote via WhatsApp status, via Facebook groups, or TikTok. Someone is going to ask, what is affiliate marketing? I know you know it. You have seen links and adverts, short adverts on these social media platforms where you are right now. You see them, then you click when you get attracted. The moment you go and buy that product, the person who posted it is going to earn money. Now, for you, I know you might say, I don't know these products. I don't. What I want you to do, I want you to go and use Google Trends. You can even use ChatGPT to ask the most wanted products now on market. You see how much is it? How much can you earn if someone buys it? You will even know how much you start getting. So guys, here we are. Making money with your smartphone is not a scam. But like anything else, it needs effort. It needs patience. Yes, and it needs consistency. Don't fall to get rich quick. Please don't fall for them. These get rich quick scams are very bad, and they come when they are looking so sweet. Don't fall for them. Start small, learn and grow. Right now, my phone is in my office, by the way, and my office is in my phone. I use it to shoot videos. I use it to post content, to reply clients, even get paid if I can do it. You can do it too. Why not? You guys, let me know, why are you failing to do it? If you want me to do a full tutorial on any of these methods, if you want one of the methods, please write it in the comment section. Like how to start YouTube with your phone, or how I get paid from Facebook. Drop a comment below and make sure at least you can even subscribe on my Facebook. You can subscribe on TikTok. You can subscribe on YouTube. Thank you very much. I love you so much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.